Welcome to my A.K. Karmokar online class, Pirspur Town High School. Today's class is for the students of class 8, but it is very important for the students of class 6, 7, 8, even SSC, HSC exam. So, as a student, we should know and we should listen the class very carefully, because today's topic is very important and common. What's the topic is? Now I will declare which topic now I will discuss with the learners. Today's topic is, in the earlier classes I have discussed the changing sentence, and today I will discuss about the changing sentence from affirmative to negative. So now change the following sentences. The first sentence, he is both meritorious and pious. Make it negative. Okay, dear learners, he is both meritorious and pious. But here I can notice, and we can notice that here both and these two words here, and if you find, when you find both, then and you want to make it negative, so you will use there not only but also. That means its negative form will be, he is not only meritorious but also pious. He is not only meritorious but also pious. Okay, dear learners, now question number 2. Every mother loves her child, make it negative. It's a very common sentence to the learners, because every mother loves her child, it is very easy and common sentences. Now make it negative. But what's the negative form of every mother loves her child? If these sentences starts with there is no. So there is no mother but loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. So every student should know it and should remember it, that the negative form of every mother loves her child is there is no mother but loves her child. Dear learners, now question number 3. Man is mortal. It's very common to the students. Man is mortal. What's the negative form of man is mortal? Man is not immortal. Earlier classes I have told you that sometimes you have to use the antonym word. Now you have to use here antonym word of mortal. So what's the antonym word of mortal? Immortal is antonym word of mortal. Okay, dear learners, so man is mortal, its negative form will be man is not immortal. Man is not immortal. Okay, dear learners, now next question number 4. He leads a very happy life. What's the negative form of he leads a very happy life? Here subject he, leads is a verb, and very adverb, happy adjective, and life is a noun. But I have to, or we have to make it negative. So what's the negative form? He leads a very happy life. The negative form will be, here leads, the subject is third person singular, so s is used after lead. So if you go to change it negative, and you have to use here doesn't, that means he does not lead, and happy change into unhappy, so an will be used before unhappy. So he does not lead an unhappy life. He does not lead an unhappy life. And at all will be used in lieu of very. At all will be used in lieu of very. So he leads a very happy life. Its negative form will be he does not lead an unhappy life. He does not lead an unhappy life. So dear learners, sometimes the learners will make a mistake using article. Sometimes it is very common to the students that the students sometimes use a before unhappy. So dear learners, you will remember that an will be used before unhappy. So the sentence will be, he does not lead an unhappy life at all. Okay dear students, now question number 5, and you have to make it negative. The question number 5 is, it begets only the worst. It begets only the worst. What's the negative form of it begets only the worst? Now you have to make it negative. Now it begets only the worst. Here only we will say only. What's the negative form of only? Only its negative form is none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. But only will be changed into here nothing but. Nothing but. So its negative form will be, it begets nothing but the worst. It begets nothing but the worst. But if you find after only a person, you will change into none but, and you will find the number, you will change into not more than or not less than. But these two things are not here. So it begets nothing but the worst. Only will be changed into here nothing but. It begets nothing but the worst. Now question number 6. Everybody hates him. What's the negative form of everybody hates him? Everybody hates him. This negative form is, everybody will be changed into nobody. Everybody will be changed into nobody. And antonym form of hates. Antonym form of hates is loves. So nobody loves him. Nobody loves him. So what's the antonym form of hates? Love is antonym form of hates. So everybody hates him. What's the negative of everybody hates him? Nobody loves him. Now we will go to question number 7. Question number 7. Everybody likes him. This is the same question of 6. So everybody likes him. What's the negative form of everybody likes him? Everybody likes him, that means nobody is antonym word of everybody, and nobody means negative. So if so we will use nobody here for making it negative. So nobody, and what's the antonym form of like? Antonym form of like is dislike. So nobody dislikes him. Nobody dislikes him. Dear learners, you will remember, and you will remember that everybody and nobody is distributive pronoun. Is a distributive pronoun, and after distributive pronoun you will use s or yes after verb. That means it will be present indefinite form. Present indefinite form. And everybody and nobody is a distributive pronoun, and it's a representation of singular form. So nobody dislikes him and everybody likes him. So what's the negative form of everybody likes him? Its negative form of everybody likes him is nobody dislikes him. Okay dear students, what's the question number 8? Now the question number 8, it's very important. It's very important. What's the negative form of it's very important? Now it is very important, very change into at all, and important antonym word is unimportant. So it's very easy to you that the negative form of it is very important will be it is not unimportant at all. Why at all is used here? We know that if you go to change into from affirmative to negative, at all will be used in lieu of very. Okay dear students, now question number 9. He was unmarried. He was unmarried. What's the negative form of unmarried? The negative form of he was unmarried is he did not marry. He did not marry. Okay dear learners, he was unmarried the meaning of he was unmarried and he did not marry, the meaning is the same. So he was unmarried is affirmative and he did not marry is negative. And did not, it's a past form, and he was unmarried, it's a past form too. So he negative form of he was unmarried is he did not marry. Okay, dear students. Now question number 10. Toimur was too hungry to wait. What's the negative form of Toimur was too hungry to wait? It's a very important thing that in Bangla meaning Toimur was too hungry to wait, it's negative. But its English formation of this sentence is affirmative. So sometimes this kind of sentence may come in the examination for making negative. Though its Bangla meaning is negative, but its formation is affirmative. So the sentence will be sometimes selected for making negative. However, what's the negative form of Toimur was too hungry to wait? Its negative form of Toimur was too hungry to wait is Toimur was so hungry that he could not wait. Because if you find two and two, then making at the time of making negative you will use so and that. You will use so in lieu of two and you will use that in lieu of two. And after that you will use subject and. If you find it present tense, you can use there cannot, and if you find here past indefinite tense, you will use there could not. Okay, dear learners. So the negative form of Toimur was too hungry to wait. Its negative form is Toimur was so hungry that he could not wait. Okay, dear students. Now I will discuss from the very beginning that only will be changed into none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than, and alone will be changed into none but, and everybody, nobody, everybody will be changed into nobody for making negative, and very will change into at all for making negative, and sometimes you will use antonym word, that means like, dislike, important, unimportant, sometimes unmarried, married, but here unmarried and married has not been used here because the meaning of the affirmative he was unmarried and he did not marry is same. So he did not marry is the negative form of he was unmarried. Okay, dear students, please listen to me very carefully. Earlier classes I have given you 10 sentences and today I give you 10 sentences and total 20 sentences for making negative, and if you can do it without any hesitation and if you can remember it very attentively, of course you will make negative form from affirmative to negative in the examination very easily. Okay, dear learners, please watch this video again and again and you will write these 10 sentences, and at the earlier classes you have seen 10 sentences and in total you will write 20 sentences on your khata and you will make it negative again and again. Then after 2 days, 3 days or on a week you will write negative form of these 20 sentences very easily. So you know it better that practice makes a man perfect. Okay, dear learners, if you practice perfectly or again and again, of course you will do better in the examination. It's a very easy way to watch online classes, and online classes is very helpful for the students because online class is very easy to the students for watching this video because you can watch it again and again. Now, dear learners, you will watch it and you should abide by the rules of health because it's a very terrible and it's a very terrible time and corona, it's a time of coronavirus, so you should stay home and stay safe. And thank you very much for watching this video, and you will watch again and again. Thank you. Goodbye.